Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Another dining set, four-seater, teak wood, gold paint with dual shade. It has got a brown highlighting and a nice design and compact as well. The dining size is 5 by 3. It's a 5 feet by 3 feet. The standard height is 30 inches and a nice design for a chair. You can see here. I've shown you similar design earlier also, but that was an 8-seater, 6-seater. This one is 4-seater. 4-seater can either be converted to a square design, but rectangular do look good when we have this kind of setup. Let's start with the chair first. The back height is 4 feet and the design in particular, as you see here. Now here you can see the curves that the chair have in the back. Nice curves on the legs, on both sides, and even the back leg. And the dual shade, the brown color that you see inside, is giving a different look to the chair than the regular antique gold or the plain gold paint. Here you can see, and the tufting on the back, the fabric. Now these all requirements depends on the client's choice. This one is going to Macheli, Andhra Pradesh in India itself, and here is the top of the table. High gloss with a brown shade and the design here. The curves that you see in the entire unit gives the look to the unit as well as shows the quality of work Arson is doing. These kind of curves in itself requires a lot of work because wood doesn't come in this type of curve. We have to cut the wood in this shape and then finally get the design out of it. Similar to the front, there's the design on the side. The design is continuing here as well, and it's a 4-seater. Now this is a single carved unit. Single carved means the back of the chair is plain. Here you can see it's a plain back, but still it looks very nice at the back as well. Every time you don't require a double carved set unless you want a real heavy one. Why I wanted to show you the set is because we have been doing what the client requires from us. We don't push anything from our side. आप जो चाहते हैं, आप जो कलर चाहेंगे, जो सेटअप चाहेंगे, साइजेस, डिज़ाइन, हम वो बनाते हैं. हम अपनी तरफ से आपको 8-सीटर पुश नहीं करेंगे अगर आपके पास जगह 8-सीटर की नहीं है. 4-सीटर में इतनी खूबसूरती से एक सेटअप कंप्लीट करना और फाइनल आउटपुट एक 4-सीटर में इतना बेहतरीन, इतना अच्छा निकालना, यही वर्क है आर्टिसंस का. एंड दिस इज द वर्क वी हैव बीन डूइंग एंड सेंडिंग आउट globally, not just India. If you are looking for something like this, if you want you want something like this to be delivered to your place anywhere in India or outside India, please contact us. We'll be more than happy to serve you. For the prices, you can either visit our website arsonwoods.com. There's a section for dining tables, for sofas, for beds, for almost all the furniture that you require at your home. But we make it in carving because we are artisans. We are not carpenters. We don't make plain stuff. हम plain stuff नहीं बनाते हैं. हम कारीगरी वाला काम करते हैं. कुछ इस तरह का ऐसा कि आप देख सकते हैं. कलर्स, फैब्रिक चॉइस आपकी रहेगी. प्राइस के लिए आप हमें कॉल कर सकते हैं. We'll be more than happy to discuss that. Please let us know how you like it. आपको कैसा लगा? अपने फीडबैक दीजिए. हमें बड़ी खुशी होगी. धन्यवाद.